syrup, vinegar and Parfait with the elderflower fragrant. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Elder trees start to bloom late spring here in Europe. When you go in the forest by the end of the May, the air is filled with the sweet scent of the elderflowers. This plant is so useful and generous that you can once harvest its flower in spring and later its berries in summer. It is not just the taste and scent which makes its flower so special, but also its medicinal benefits are outstanding. It is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's antiviral, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it boosts the immune system. The best part is such a beneficial plant is also really tasteful. In this time of the year, the scent of the elderflowers adds a magical vibe to the forest. Because of the bushy form of the plant, you can easily reach its flowers and berries. Now I have enough flowers to make elderflower cordial for 1 year. The process of making the cordial is called infusion, which means we extract the flavor and chemical compounds of the flower by using a solvent like water. For 20 cluster you need 1 liter of water, 1 kilo sugar and 25 grams citric acid. I picked enough flowers, so I use 3 liter of water, 3 kilo sugar, and 75 grams citric acid. When choosing the pot, consider the volume of sugar and flowers that will be added to the water. Mix the water, the sugar and the acid and leave it on the heat to come to the boil. In the meanwhile, I aromatize some apple cider vinegar with these scented flowers just by adding some cluster in a bottle and adding the vinegar on them. Keep in mind the flowers are from the nature and there might be some insects on them. That's why I shake the flowers again before using. Six to 7 cluster can aromatize 1.5 liter vinegar. Fill the bottle with the vinegar and put the lid on, and you can use the vinegar after 3 days. You even don't need to take the flowers out. They are beautiful inside the bottle. When the sugar water is boiled, let it cool down at room temperature before adding the elderflowers into it. Now my sugar water is cold after 3 hours and I add the elderflowers into it. Then I cover it and let it stay for 3 days. Time to extract the elderflowers from the infusion. First I drag out the clusters with a kitchen tongue. Then I use a mesh strainer to filter the leftover flowers. To have even more clear cordial, I use a cotton kitchen cloth to filter any particles left. Fill the hot water washed bottles with the elderflower cordial and keep them in the fridge. It will hold over a year. And here is how to make a lemonade with that syrup. Add some ice cubes in a glass, 2 to 3 slices of lime, a fourth of a glass syrup, and then fill it up with sparkling water. This lemonade is a very refreshing drink for the summer, and it also goes well with every kind of food. The other delicious thing I want to make using elderflower cordial is a French parfait. A French parfait is basically made of egg, syrup and heavy cream. And you need no special equipment to make it. Separate 2 egg yolks and put them in a sauce pot. You need 100 ml of elderflower cordial to mix with the egg yolks and heat them up on medium heat while whisking constantly. When the mixture thickens, take it from the heat and keep whisking until it gets cold. You can place the pot on a bowl of ice water to cool it down faster. Whip the cream until stiff and put it in the fridge to cool down. After taking the cream out of the fridge, give it a quick whisk again. Add 1/3 of it to the egg mixture and fold it gently until uniform. Then fold it back in the rest of the whipped cream. Get the mess in a plastic form . Put the lid on and freeze it for 24 hours. The parfait is ready to serve. Because it's the season, I made a simple strawberry coulis and I will use some strawberry slices and elderflower for garnish. Turn out the parfait on a cutting board. And cut some slices. Decorate the dish with the coulis and lay the Parfait slices on it. And then garnish it with strawberry slices and elderflowers. The texture is firm and at the same time smooth, and the scent of the elderflowers pairs perfectly with the strawberry coulis. If you like the recipes, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.